Hi, I'm Sina and I'm a junior at Alpharetta High School. I've been coding since 8th grade and I'm currently enrolled in AP Computer Science A, which is why I decided to take Mr. Singh's class. Mr. Singh is an exceptional teacher and his teaching style really helps me learn more about Java. His class really goes over the fundamentals of Java, which is overlooked by many schools, which is why this class is so useful for students. Along with this, he uses this platform Codemode, which is also a really unique and helpful site. It goes over all of the topics you need to know in Java in detail. It provides video explanations as well as written explanations, and it gives a bunch of practice problems to make sure you really understand the topics. And honestly, I would just recommend it to anyone who's currently in a computer science class or they're trying to learn computer science because it's helped me so much as a student. Thank you.